Hey dosto, this is going to be a series of videos based on time cycle. There is a lot of ambiguity around time cycles and how to use it. If you read GAN, you come across 60-year cycle, 30-year cycle and the harmonics which follow the same. I never understood it, kept doing my own research for the cycles. Accidentally, I got this time cycle, which I am sharing with you. Before I show you my screen, disclaimer. This time cycle is not going to show you the exact top or bottom. If you are only interested in it, then this video is not for you. As you see on the screen, it's Nifty 50's one-day chart with lots of blue lines. These lines are the time cycles or the date which a cycle gives us. One key part of using any time cycle is knowing a particular day from where you can start it. If you mess up the starting day, your cycle has gone for a toss. You can't select any random top or bottom for it, as it has to be in alignment with the natural laws as said by GAN. So this cycle, which I accidentally got while doing my own research, I'm going to share it with you, but I'm not going to share how I derived it. I'll do it later in the future, maybe when I have more subscribers and more likes on all the videos. Let me just zoom into the chart. Let's go and see what happened in 2020. The date which we got using the cycle was 30th March 2020. And if you know, the low of 2020 was made on 24th March 2020. So this is the power of this time cycle. Let's see something else. I'm just randomly opening any day. Let's see over here. From here, it went a little high and then came down. From here again, it went up, came down. From here, it just went up. This low or this day's high and low was not even touched. Over here, it went up, came down and again went up. If you see over here, a high was made just 3-4 days later and thereafter it came down. I won't get into much more examples, and once you plot it on your screen, you can find it yourself. So let me show you how to draw these time cycles. Well, as I said, the starting day is very important, which I have already got it. And now you just have to plot this on your chart. So select any day of this. Let's select this line. 16th March 2015, and your second date has to be 15th July 2015. If you have these 2 days, all you have to do is make use of this tool. The name of this tool is cyclic lines. Select your first day, select your second day, and your time cycles are ready. So this will draw all the time cycles in the future, and if you want to do it for your past, so just do it in the opposite way, and you have drawn time cycles for your past as well. Very simple to do it. Let me show you, or let me tell you again, your starting day will be 16th March and 15th July. That's it. So draw these time cycles by yourself and explore how good the cycles are. So this was the first static cycle. The second static cycle is much more interesting. Just 4 days later, top was made and it came down. Same way over here. Let me zoom into it. The low which was made on this day was not broken. It just came down but again went up. So you can again draw this cycle by yourself and see how effective it is in the market. So to draw this cycle, your starting day would be 3rd August and your second day would be 28 December 2015. 3rd August 2012 and 28 December 2015. Use the same tool and draw the cycles. Look at over here. This blue cycle is falling on 29th July 22. So you need to be careful, and let's see what market does on this particular day. In the next part of the video, I will show you the dynamic cycle and also how you can use the static cycles and make your trade more profitable. If you want me to create more learning videos like this, kindly like the video, share it with a trader and subscribe the channel. Thank you friends.